everyone. What are you finding from the interview you conduct? Cooking practice, also called culinary uh, practice, have changed over time. There is a significant difference between the traditional and moderate culinary practice. Earlier, most cooking was done using a chulha. Nowadays, most of us look using a modern gas stove. Earlier, most grading was done manually using a seal bhatta. You also see in figure 3.1c. These days, we use an electric grinder for chase of grinding. Find out what are the other ways of cooking and grinding. Why have these culinary particles changed over time? These change may be due to factors such as a technological development, improvement, transportation, and better communication. What are the components of food? Medhu and Misty visit the traditional food festival organized in their school. The theme of the festival is Eat Healthy, Live Healthy. Swasth Ahar Jeevan, Swasth Jeevan. Eat healthy, live healthy. The festival features various stalls display different kind of traditional dishes. Dr. Posita, a nutrition expert, explained to students that health is ultimately wealth. Let's understand what Dr. Posita means by this statement. Have you ever missed a meal? Do you know feel when you miss a meal? We feel tired and less electric when we do not eat for some time. Why do you think a marathon running, drinking glucose water during and after the race? Glucose provide instant energy. Glucose is an example of carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are one of the primary sources of energy in our diet. Cereals like wheat, rice, and maize, vegetables like potato and sweet potato, and fruits like banana, pineapple, and mango are some sources of carbohydrate. Do you know that the common sugar is also a type of carbohydrate? What do you think we prefer to have laddus as a part of our traditional diet in winters? Besan or wheat flour and ghee are among the main ingredient of laddu among with gun enables cum nuts and seeds. Ghee and various kind of oils are grouped under another kind of food component which is called fat. Source of fat can be from plants or animals. Nuts such as a ground nuts, walnuts, coconuts, and almond, and seeds such as pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds are some sources of fat. Fat is a source of stored energy. Yes, my grandma told me that the laddus rich in ghee and nuts provide energy to keep us warm. Curd, almond, cashew nuts, sesame seeds, soya beans, groundnuts, walnuts, sunflower, you see in the picture. Carbohydrate and fats provide us energy for performing various activities, therefore, they are called energy giving foods. Identity more foods items that are rich sources of carbohydrate and fats. Thank you.